Hi, I'm Terry White with Design Your Life, the show that hopes to inspire you to get out on a limb, get out of your comfort zone and do something that customizes your life and makes it a little better for you. I spend most of my life in a tree, not just out on a limb. I'm willing to try most anything. Today, Emily had an idea that she emailed me about. She said, you need to do a Super Bowl. So I pulled out my selection of what I consider to be my Super Bowls. But this is not the one that I selected. I selected the Superest Bowl, the biggest one, to do a very quick little arrangement. And because of Valentine's Day this coming week, flower selection is not great. So I'm gonna do it with these mums, but I really was in the mood to do an all green arrangement, which to me is the first harbinger of spring, is everything turning green, not a lot of color. So that's why I am doing all green for an arrangement today. And maybe we will speed this up and you can watch what I am doing, but I am starting with Oasis, my bowl. I put a little greenery already in it to start covering up my mechanics, but more than that, what I wanted the greenery to do was to scale itself to the bowl first so that I would know kind of how big. There's nothing worse than a little bitty arrangement in a super bowl. Hi, and welcome back. I feel like the biggest idiot that ever walked the face of the earth. Emily and I had a little confusion about Super Bowl. I'm a little late to the game. The game was yesterday, and she meant the football game. So I've converted the arrangement very quickly into a Super Bowl football arrangement. You notice I have my little football and my little tablecloth table cover here. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the arrangement itself, though, all kidding aside. Again, I grouped things. I didn't try to make them perfectly even, especially the ferns. Ferns never grow just one strand at a time.
Hey Terry, we need to stop really quick though and take a quick commercial break because we don't have enough subscribers, so we need to take a quick break.
Okay, if you must.
Okay.
Hi. We have to pay for this show somehow or another, so we are going to represent a few merchants in their attempt to hawk some of their product. Here we have Magic Tonics. It will cure anything, especially being locked at home during this COVID nightmare that we're all going through. I am in the clinical trial. It's a phase 3 trial. I'm a very willing participant. But to be responsible and to encourage you to follow the proper dosing instructions on it, and please take with water, I will have to list the possible side effects. If you don't mind, to make sure that I don't miss one, I'm going to read them. Possible side effects are nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, fever, chills, and headache, blurred vision. Fever could be severe enough to have one take off one's clothes in public. Often induces spontaneous bad dancing, weight gain, weight loss, urge to post on social media, especially late at night. Can lead to pregnancy or infertility. Please, again, consult your doctor for proper dosing. The name does have lots of X's in it, so I think it's probably going to be a really good product. I'm here to sell insurance with my good friend, the emu. Come here. Come sell some insurance with me. This is a hard job by myself. Come on. Okay, all successful commercials usually have a really loving, wonderful animal. There's a beer company that's made a fortune off of parading Clydesdales around. I don't have a Clydesdale, but I was thinking of some blonde wigs attached to their hooves. But I decided that maybe that would be a little too humiliating for a beautiful creature like this. Come here. Hi. 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 I have animal crackers that I'm getting ready to give to the camel, but we pulled all the camel ones out. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's hump day. I get it. It's hump day. Yeah. This is Blizzard. He sells insurance as well. Oh. Here, I dropped more than I got in your mouth.
There you go.
What are you using? Hump day, hump day. It's hump day. Can you say hump day? He's beautiful. Does he like being petted in a particular place?
Yeah, no, I mean, he's
Just
anywhere.
Just anywhere.
Yeah, they say that they don't like their ears pet, but he loves it.
Okay, we're back again. That was a whooping. I do finally get the Super Bowl, the whole Super Bowl thing. I need a drink, and I think probably beer is the best thing to drink. Celebrating the Super Bowl. But in the interest of doing what the people watching it do,